YouTube has a really helpful analytics tool that shows you all kinds of data. Sometimes I think it's overwhelming, probably a little bit too much for me, but it does show that a lot of you are watching my videos, but not everybody subscribes. So I don't know, maybe you forgot. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. Thank you. Another great etude to help you with double stop studies and help you gain more stable intonation when you're practicing several various intervals and you're going through the melody. Always look for the melody as you're practicing these etudes and make sure that you're really paying attention to the quality of tone that you're creating, and of course the intonation. If it's not satisfactory, don't keep going in the same fashion. Stop and try and fix it. Make sure that the quality is really good, you know, as best as you can create. And yeah, so good luck with this, and I hope that my little videos are helping you achieve your goals and gain some value in violin playing and learn some new skills. I hope to also see you on my Patreon site, where you can find more videos, more in-depth tutorials and walkthroughs, as well as duets. I've recorded lots of duets on Patreon where you can take advantage and play with me, which I think is really cool. And I hope to see you there. The link is down below. It's really easy to find. The same as on YouTube on ViolinExplorer on Patreon site. Thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate you supporting my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.